Easter Bunny left us something special. So I just woke up and I'm just about to write the riddles. Woke up a bit late. It's about 10:30. So yeah, so I'm just gonna write the riddles right now and then I'm gonna go and hide and I'll show you that. Right now I'm just gonna go and hide all of the stuff and yeah. So the ones that are part of the riddle, I got here, I'm gonna put these around and then I'll go and hide the big ones. All right, everyone come out. Hey.
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 Dada.
Whoa. All right, you guys ready?
It took you, what, 2 hours?
Whoa, what is this? Yeah, that's for you.
Papa. Mama. Dada. Yeah.
Whoa!
Whoa, Daddy's cool moves. All right, we gotta find chocolate, okay? This bag. So you can just put it in there. I don't know what you guys are gonna do. You guys didn't grab a bag or anything. But, so pretty much you have to go around, find all the chocolate. There's a couple that are decently hard to find. So if we don't end up finding them, I will tell you where they are. There's a couple that have riddles on the back of them. So what you have to do with those is you just keep those until the end, and then we can all go and look for them. So I think there's maybe 5 of them that have riddles on them. They all have their own corresponding thing. So there's a little symbol on it. So if you find a clue that has a symbol on it that doesn't match yours, don't touch it. All right?
What symbol?
So what?
Do we already have assigned symbols? Or
No, you don't have an assigned symbols. Just there's symbols on the
So basically,
chocolate.
it sounds like the first symbol that you find, it becomes yours.
Yeah.
But what if you find the same symbol as someone else?
There isn't. There's only
Okay.
one symbol. So the first symbol you find is yours.
All right, buddy.
All right? You ready? You ready to find some chocolate?
Are the bins over
Are
there?
you ready to? No, don't touch those.
Okay.
Those are extras. Dad told me to keep some. I think he wants some for later.
Oh!
Put it in the bag, buddy.
Put it in the bag.
Did you find any, Dominic? No.
Whoa! Whoa!
It's okay.
Max, look, shiny!
Ari's got her own little treat. Grass. What did you find? I'm finding a car shit on me. Hurry up. Hope over there. She's taking it all.
Oh, look, there's still more.
How many? pockets you got over there?
I have 4 pockets in total, but only 2 of them are being used.
I'm gonna Look at you.
I keep forgetting to look for the symbols.
That's all right. You'll get one. Hope took 2, so you'll get one.
Is it her same symbol?
No, it's different symbols. So there's only one symbol outside the other symbol. So pretty much the riddle on the one that you find out here will take you inside, and the rest of the riddles are on the inside of the house. Let's see who can find the special one.
Who's the special one?
There's 2 that I hid that only a few people might be able to find.
Max!
Oh,
What is that? Oh.
Dada's got his own little buddy to bend down for him. And Dada gets the high ones.
Oh, the ones that he misses.
Yeah.
Wait, Max!
Look in the rocks. Did you find any, Dad? Did you find your special one?
What, on the table?
Yeah.
Make sure nobody steps in the poop.
Watch out for poop! There's none over there, Dominic. Don't worry. I kept them at the tree in this way.
Poop isn't a part of the hunt. Here, buddy.
Yep. The poop is not chocolate. It's not bunny poop. It's actual poop. Oh, sneaky. I think Dominic got all the ones in there. You found it!
Is that one of the hidden
Yay!
ones?
What?
Is that one of the hidden ones?
Yeah, one of them. There's another one, but only super tall people can find it.
Max! Look! Look in the tree. What's that yellow thing? Oh, yeah, bright light. Here,
Get closer.
grab, shake it, shake the tree. Watch, go. Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Shaka.
Or here. Here, shake the tree.
Whoa, what did you
Whoa,
find?
whoa.
Did you find chocolate?
Watch out for poops.
Oh. No, there's no poop. You're good.
Oh,
Over.
That's not poo-poo. You're okay.
Let's go look over here, buddy.
I hope how's those pockets feeling?
Well, they're kind of overloaded. I had to start using my leg pockets.
All right. How many riddles did you guys find?
1. Well, I found 2, but I had to give one to Dominic.
Hey, Dominic, this way. There's some.
Hi, buddy. Here.
Hey, Dominic.
What?
Oh, say thank you, Auntie Hopi. Is that all? Oh, I think.
Hope, are you giving away the trade secrets?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I could have sworn I just heard you tell a secret.
There's some shit.
That is not chocolate.
The bunny did not leave that for us to eat.
Nope. No bunnies here.
Is there any over here?
Dominic already cleaned up over there.
Whoa.
Yep, each person has their own riddle.
I got one. I dropped it.
Oh, I think Papa has some secrets.
Here, buddy, put it in your
Don't
bag.
step in poop.
That's the main message for today.
Watch out for poopies. What do you guys see over there?
Oh, that's poop.
Yep, you found poop.
Oh, don't touch that. No. Oh, okay.
I think Uncle Dog cleaned up in there. Yep. Did you guys find all the ones over there?
Max.
Nope, there's still some over here. There's actually lots over here.
There you go.
Here, buddy, come here. Let's
Oh.
look. You gotta
I
look for
missed
some.
them.
Yeah?
Could have sworn I cleaned up over there. Under there, I got the one on top, which it was melted, so I gave it to
Was it?
Dominic.
Oh, I guess Dad was right.
Yeah.
I didn't even see that
it was like severely melted. I got under the deck over there. I got over there. Does Max have a riddle?
Idea over there. Oh, you got it?
Yeah. I was walking over there, I'm like, I don't think M&M guy is supposed to be in the fire.
I guess you get to pick which one you want.
I don't even.
What riddle do you want? Which one are you gonna choose? So what's your riddle say?
You clean your clothes in this room. I know what the hell that is.
Okay.
Is that the only one you got?
Yeah, because Hope gave it to me. And
What's the other one? You said you found another riddle?
You want this?
What does that one say?
Whoa.
I
Oh!
What happened?
Oh, Papa found one. He was in the tree.
made
Come get it.
to...
Come get it before Uncle Dog gets it.
I can't read that.
Hey, monkey.
I'm made to absorb. I can hold liquid even though I'm full of holes.
Oh, okay. Aaron, are you still missing a riddle?
No, you can keep that one.
Did you guys get a riddle? I found another one.
I found another riddle.
Whoa.
So what do you mean there are symbols?
There's symbols on them. So
Oh.
this one is that.
C.
Yeah. And that
This one's a
an X.
T. Oh, that's an X.
Sit on me, but don't jump. Something might get you.
What?
First thing that comes to my mind is how you told me the story about how your dad said if you jump on the couch, something's gonna eat you inside.
Exactly. That's the exact thing.
Oh, buddy.
Music video.
Yep. Ooh.
This one, okay.
Freaking computer chair, if you bounce up and down
Oh,
on it,
yeah.
that freaking spring-loaded pin might shoot up your butt.
I didn't even think of that one.
I want you one of my candies.
No, you can't eat it until after. I see Hope. I do see her. Okay. What does that one say? What does it say?
Well, I understand freaking like the first part, but the don't stand too close doesn't make sense.
When I'm done, I beep loud and proud, but don't stand too close because radiation.
It's not. Yeah, but it comes down to it. That should have been the dryer.
Yeah, I
The dryer
guess.
fucking beeps.
I found most of them online, so that's
The dryer beeps 10 times more psychotically.
Yeah.
Half the time we completely freaking forget that we put stuff in the microwave.
That is true.
So it's not like it's loud and proud because it's like being,
It's more of
it's
annoying.
like being I forgot that I freaking microwaved this fucking half an hour ago.
Yep. Oh, someone still hasn't found the. What?
Could the riddle be talking about Dominic, loud and proud?
No. Oh, did Moose get his ones off the slide?
Oh, yeah, I stole them.
Oh, okay. Well, you're not Moose. So we come in a set, dash or pour us. If we're too much, the dish is ruined. What do you think it is?
Something to do with your cooking.
It has to do with cooking, yeah. But where do you think it would be at?
In the kitchen.
Yeah. But where?
I don't think I got a single more except for
They have
one.
specific places.
Did you find
I only got one.
Or is she looking for an
Ari, what did you find? Did you find some chocolate? No. I think there's got to be like an animal under there. That's, oh, there's.
Jump in the bush! Ah!
Hope's gonna get them all. Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Go, go, go!
What the hell are you saying?
The fence, the fence! They found them in the fence. Go, go! There's big ones back there. There's big ones. Go, go, go!
Yeah, I think they're already.
Yeah, go, go, go! There's also one in this tree somewhere. Not that tall. I can't reach up there.
Wolf is there.
We'll share, okay?
Oh, you found it.
She says up high.
Max, watch it.
It's like this.
It's not actually up high for us.
Wow.
We have to look down a little bit.
It's like this. This is as high as she can go.
She's like,
No,
"It's
there's
up
actually
super
one.
high."
There's one that you guys have not found that is relatively up high. It's in a decently nice spot. Where do you guys think it is?
I don't know. I'm thinking you may.
I think Dominic's getting hotter.
Oh. I don't know. Papa found one over there.
There's one for sure I know over there.
Okay.
Not that place. Over there. It's relatively high, as well as somewhere over by the gazebo thing. Gazebo? I don't know, it's pretty high. I don't know if you'll be able to find it. Look up high, everyone. Dominic, you're getting colder. You gotta move that way. Remember, it's up high. Yep, it's not up there. Hope found the one up there. Oh, what are you doing over there, Dada?
Oh, Dad found something.
Moose! Over here!
Oh, he's trying to climb.
Oh, Papa got it.
Whoa!
Say thank you.
It's not up high.
There's new bag.
That is high. All right, how are you guys doing?
We don't know even if it's up high. I can't reach the damn thing.
Up high.
But how up high?
As Dad says, technically it's not that much high up because I'm short.
I put my best foot.
Ding, ding, ding.
Riddle on it.
Oh, there's another riddle. What's the riddle, Hope?
Look where he plays. Look hard in place, and you'll.
Sorry. So that says, and you'll be, and you'll have one, but I was using a permanent marker. It was not very good. All right, you guys ready? We're gonna go look for our riddles. Oh, there's one more. Moosey, can you find it? Can you find it? Look under there. There's some down there.
I'm not going in there.
No, you don't want to look for it? All right, Dada, you can go down there. Do you see it? Nice undies.
Bites her hand.
We got more! Yeah!